Hi folks, Chris Voss here from thechrisvossshow.com, thechrisvossshow.com. Current blog post I want to share with you, of course, review the latest in social media and technology. This is from our good friends at iSkin.com. That's iSkin.com. They make numerous cases, and we've reviewed a ton of them on the Chris Voss Show. Be sure to check into the Chris Voss Show and search it for all the wonderful cases we've taken and reviewed from them. These two cases in particular are for the iPhone 5. We have the Vera Deluxe Folio case and the Vibes case, which is really cool looking. It looks like it has kind of a snake skin figure. We're going to review each one of these separately, so be sure to watch for the other posts on the chrisvossshow.com or YouTube channel. Give us a like and a subscribe to us for all the wonderful, coolest technology, social media stuff coming out there. Now, let's take a look at these each individually. Okay, so let's take a look at the Vibes product. You can see here with the case, it's got a beautiful, it looks like it's actually kind of corrugated or whatever you want to call it, with divots that make it look like it's actually real snake skin. This is an Ultrasim case that you can take and get from iSkin. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at what we have on the inside. Looks like a really good looking case, yeah. It's got that feel of almost snake skin, which is really cool. So we'll go ahead and pop out the inserts, and then you can take a look at it. Now, it's a hard plastic case, and it's got hard plastic on the inside and edges to protect your device, and still give you access to everything you could possibly need to have access. You've got your up and down buttons, access to your mute buttons. It feels really good, actually, and it actually gives you some additional hold on the back of the phone, and it looks like it's down the sides a little bit too here. So you've got the kind of snakeskin leather down the side. You got the cool iSkin logo there. So very cool looking in its design. Now in the package here, what we have is just a iSkin anti-stat cleaning wipes. You got some stickers and a cleaning cloth, which is always good to have. But there you have it. Really cool case from iSkin at iSkin.com. It's their Vibes line. You can go check it out on their website at iSkin.com and check out the Vibes, and also, of course, all the other wonderful toys and cases they have to play with on their website. Be sure to check it out. Give them a like, or give us a like and subscribe to us on YouTube, and also check out iSkin. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss testing, Chris Voss brew. Be sure to check into the chrisvossshow.com often.